My name is Pranav Raut, and I am a husband of Dr. Pooja Wankhede Raut. So we came from Austria in May, and we decided to start our clinic in the Sousse area. So while pursuing our goal, we approached to different interior decorator people, and so who were involved in designing the interior work and taking all the contract of interior design and supplying everything along with their designs and equipments. So while doing that, I liked the idea from Mr. Yashodhan Zadav, who are the in charge of this interior design work, and their company name is Grace Spaces. And yes, we started with talking with them and sharing our requirement, what exactly we want. And yes, it started in just 1 month ago, like the discussion part, and we had a site visit there where exactly we want to set up our complete clinic. After having this visit, they have shared the plan, floor plan and everything with me, and I really liked it so much. And it was just not the plan, but it was in the budget, like what I was expecting. So I just thought, yes, this is the best one what I am getting from it. And so yes, it started with all flooring concept, and then partitions and furniture, reception table, then the sofa set, inside the doctor's cabin, chairs and colors, then the glass doors and everything. He has given a full effort to make this dream come true. So I really appreciate his work and his people's work, which was really great. And not only me, but the people who visited this clinic on our inauguration day, they also appreciated this work, and they also said, yeah, this is a very nice work and we feel really great here.